Experiencing keyboard issues on your laptop? This video will guide you through troubleshooting stuck, missing, or dead keys. We'll cover common causes and practical solutions to get you back to typing smoothly. Remember, a faulty keyboard accounts for 15 to 20% of laptop repairs. Determine if the issue is hardware or software related before proceeding. A stuck key physically jams down and won't release properly, often due to debris like dust or crumbs getting caught under the key mechanism. A missing key has detached from the keyboard completely, usually from wear and tear or accidental removal, leaving an empty space where the key should be. A dead key doesn't register any input when pressed, meaning it won't type the corresponding character, often caused by software issues or hardware failure in the key matrix. Correctly identifying the type of keyboard problem is key to choosing the right solution. According to experts, 70% of keyboard issues are preventable with regular maintenance like dusting and careful use. Stuck keys are often caused by debris like dust or crumbs jamming the key mechanism. First, power off your laptop completely. Use compressed air to dislodge dust and crumbs around the affected key. If visibly stuck, gently pry up the key with appropriate tools. Avoid using liquid cleaners, as they can damage internal components. If still stuck, disassembly may be required. Proceed with caution. Regular dusting can prevent stuck keys from occurring. When a key is missing from your laptop keyboard, first check if the keycap and retaining clip are still intact. These small plastic components often detach due to wear or accidental bumps. If both the keycap and clip are intact, carefully reattach them. Align the clip's prongs with the keyboard's base and press down gently until it snaps into place. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. If the keycap or clip is broken, order a replacement keycap kit online from reputable suppliers. Make sure the kit is compatible with your specific laptop model, as proprietary designs vary between brands like Dell or Lenovo. Keep in mind that many modern laptops use integrated keyboard designs, where keys are bonded to the chassis. This makes individual key repairs nearly impossible without replacing the entire keyboard module, which requires professional service. Dead keys often indicate software or driver issues. Restart your laptop to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Update your keyboard drivers via Device Manager in Windows, or check for updates via System Report on macOS. Test your keyboard in safe mode to isolate operating system problems. Use Windows Troubleshooter to detect stuck keys. Apple's Keyboard Viewer can also help detect stuck keys. According to CNET reviews, software fixes resolve 50% of dead key problems. When software fixes don't resolve dead keys, the issue likely involves hardware components like the key matrix or ribbon cable. The key matrix is a grid that detects which keys are pressed. Each intersection connects rows and columns, and failures can cause dead keys. Inspect the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Look for loose or damaged connections. For internal keyboards, disassembly may be needed. Consult your laptop's service manual for guidance. Firmware updates from brands like Dell and HP have improved key matrix scanning, reducing dead key failures by up to 30% in newer models. While troubleshooting your laptop keyboard, consider using an external USB keyboard as a temporary solution. This allows you to continue working uninterrupted while addressing the internal keyboard issue. To connect an external keyboard, simply plug a USB keyboard into any available USB port on your laptop. Most modern laptops support plug-and-play USB keyboards without requiring additional drivers. If needed, you can disable the internal laptop keyboard through System Settings to avoid conflicts. This helps confirm if the problem is with the built-in keyboard hardware or software. This temporary solution keeps you productive while you troubleshoot or seek professional repair for your laptop's internal keyboard. If you're uncomfortable with disassembling your laptop, or if the keyboard problem persists after trying basic fixes, it's time to seek professional repair. This is especially important if your laptop is still under warranty. Professional repair is strongly advised for warranty-covered devices to avoid voiding your manufacturer's guarantee. Attempting DIY fixes on a new laptop could make it ineligible for free repairs. For increased durability on future laptop purchases, consider models with spill-resistant keyboards. These designs seal keys against liquids and reduce repair needs from accidental spills.